back to my channel. Well, those who are new here and coming for the first time, well, my name is Nidhi and I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I am creating this makeup look. So basically, I'll tell you the story behind this look. I am creating this look for an Insta reel. So I thought, why not film this video, show you guys how I did this makeup step by step. And also, yes, I have gelled my hair today. I wanted like a very wet hair look for that Insta reel. If you want to watch that reel, it will be there on my Instagram handle, which is called Get Gorgeous with Nidhi. So yes, this is the look for today's video, green glittery eyes. Now let's start this video and learn this makeup look step by step. Also, a quick reminder for all of you to subscribe to the channel if you've not done it yet. And yes, let's begin now. So starting the video with priming my face, I'm using this tonic mist from Indulgeo. So this has Rosewater and it's great for all skin types. So just spraying it all over my face. This smells amazing and it's very, very refreshing. Even if you have an acne prone skin or an oily skin, you can use this tonic mist. Now the next step is to moisturize the skin. I'm using this moisturizing cream from Cetaphil. Alright, so this looks good. Now let's jump on to the eye makeup. Now for the eyebrows, I'm using this palette which is from Makeup Revolution. The shade is medium to dark and it has these cream shades and also these powder shades, and you can see that this shade, the darkest brown, is used by me a lot. So this is what I am using. I'll be mixing these two shades and using it for filling my eyebrows. I always like to start my makeup with the eyes, especially when I'm doing any glitter eye makeup or when I know there'll be a lot of fallouts. It's always better to complete the eye makeup first and then go on the face makeup. So now I'm taking this concealer from LA Girl. The shade is Natural and applying it all over my eyelid. So you can take any concealer or eye primer for this purpose. Just make sure that it's like a lighter shade. Alright, so whenever you apply a primer or a concealer on your lid, always set it with a powder or a compact, anything that you like. You can even use like the lightest shade like this, a matte shade, which is mostly available in all eyeshadow palettes. I'm taking a brown eyeshadow like this, taking a fluffy brush, a blending brush. Now this one is from Pack 391. I'm using this on my crease to contour the crease. Now I'm taking the same brush and dipping the brush into this eyeshadow, which is like this orangish brown color. So this is from the Rose Gold palette, Huda Rose Gold palette. Now the shade is called Henna. So this is like a beautiful orangish shade. So I'm applying this shade on the crease. Taking a black kajal pencil, you can take any black kajal pencil which you can blend. So just applying a thin line here. So this is what I've done, like I've just applied a line here and I'm taking a pencil brush and smudging this. Now I'm taking this beautiful palette from TooFaced. It's called Chocolate Bar Palette and Chocolate Gold Palette. And honestly guys, it smells like chocolate. I'm not kidding, it actually does. So I'm taking this beautiful green color from here. It's called Money Bags. I love the name. So this is what I am taking on a flat brush and applying it on my lid. Now I'm going back to this transition color and taking this brush from Real Technique. Now this is like a flat blending brush. So I'm taking this and applying it on the crease. Taking the first shade, the brown shade that I took for the crease, I'm applying that shade in the outer V. Now I'm taking a little bit of this black color from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette again and applying it in the outer V. Taking very little black just to darken the outer V. That's it. So here. Taking a clean blending brush, just blending all this outer corner and the crease properly. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with how these colors have blended. The blending part is done. Alright, so either you can leave your eyes like this. I quite like it like this, matte green eyes. But what I'm planning to do is, I have this beautiful glitter from Etude. This is how the glitter looks. It's actually exact color of my earrings. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this glitter and apply it right here, right at the center. So let's do that. So I've taken very little amount of glitter glue here and I'm applying it right at the center. This glitter glue is from Makeup Forever. Well, you don't need to buy this. It's pretty expensive. So I won't recommend you to buy this. Just buy any glitter glue from any brand. I have like glitter all over my face and that's the reason I do face makeup later. I need to clean this. Now I'm taking this matte highlighter shade which I applied on top of the concealer to set my eyes. So I'm just using that as a highlighter under the brow bone. Now I'm taking this black kajal pencil again and I'm applying this in the tight line, like in the upper waterline. Next is applying some lashes, and today I'm using these lashes from pack number 53. Let me just do this off camera, guys, because it's gonna take some time. Alright, so I'm back after fixing my lashes. So happy how the eyes are looking till now. Okay, now let's go on to the face makeup. I'm using this foundation from L'Oreal Infallible, and the shade that I'm using is 104 Golden Beige. Well, I'll be doing a review about this foundation soon because I have both the foundations from L'Oreal, so I thought I will just compare both the foundations. It might be easier for you guys to choose which one to buy. I'm using this flat brush from Real Technique to apply the foundation. I'm just applying the foundation with this brush. Later on I'll blend it with a beauty blender. Just taking a damn beauty blender and blending this on the skin, just pushing the product properly and making sure there are no lines on my face. Now I'm taking this concealer from LA Girl and the shade that I'm using is called Creamy Beige. Now to set this concealer under the eye, I'm using this MAC Studio Fix. Now this shade is NC35. So just applying it under my eyes. For my waterline, the lower waterline, I'm using this pencil. So this nude pencil is from Mehr London and I'm applying it in the waterline. Now the colors that we applied on the crease, I'm using those same colors and blending it in the lower lash line. I'm using this blusher from MAC. The shade is Peachy Keen. So I always like to, lift my blush upwards instead of doing like a round brush. So this makes my face look more contoured and long. Let's use a little bit of highlighter. Now this highlighter is from Becca. The shade is Champagne Pop. So applying it on my cheekbone. Taking very little quantity because the blusher that I applied is already shimmery. So I'm just taking very little quantity. And some highlighter right here at the inner corner of my eye. Now for the lipstick, I'm taking this bullet lipstick from MAC. The shade is Mehr. Like this, like a gorgeous pink color, and it's great for all skin types. It's a very, very light pink color. You'll see it right now. Okay, I want my lips a little glossy, so I'm taking this lip plumper from Lotus. Now this is shade Clear Glass. So there's no color in it, it's like a transparent gloss. Applying that right here, right at the center. Guys, here is the complete look. I absolutely loved creating this look, guys. I am loving my eyes so much right now. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and keep showing your love. I am very, very thankful for all the love and support that I'm getting from you guys. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon. Stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much for watching this video again, and I'll see you all soon.